Do you know what time it is? It's Yokai Watch time to open up and unbox a Yokai Watch. TATTLETELL. Collectible figure and Yokai medal. They're calling these, what are they calling these things? Metal monuments, collectible figures. I'm just gonna call them Yokai collectible figures. Yeah. So this is the USA Hasbro ones. I don't think the Japanese Bandai ones ever came out with the figures and the medals. I believe this is just an American, Hasbro exclusive, where you get the figure that holds its medal. So it's supposed to hold on to its little Yokai medal. There's the app for the App Store and Google Play. The app didn't come out yet. It's made by Level 5, the same company who made the LBS video game, which is a great video game. I loved it. So let's open it up and take a look at it. There's a lot of tape on the box. So this is just telling you how to put the medal in the watch and put in Yokai Medallion, which is the collector book. What do we have here? Telling you about Yokai Watch and all the little Yokai collectible characters that come with their own little Yokai medal. So TATTLETELL, Whisper, Noko, Komo-san, and Jibayan. So here's the Yokai medal of TATTLETELL. I hate that they don't put the name of the yokai on the side. And it's from the Mysterious tribe, I think. I think it's from Mysterious. Let me check. What are my things here? Yeah, Mysterious. So TATTLETELL is from Mysterious. So you could scan the Yokai medal into your Nintendo 3DS Yokai Watch video game. You could pause the video right now, go grab your 3DS and scan the QR code to get a little coin to take to the card machine. And looks like she is supposed to hold on to her medal with herself facing herself, so like this. And that's all you do. You just slide in to the back of her hands, give it a little push, and there she goes. Really cool little figure. I like how they're doing this, that the figures can actually hold their yokai medals. Nice little touch that they did was that. Again, like I said, I believe this is just the American exclusive, that you get the little figures that hold the medals. I don't believe the Japanese Bandai ones had that. So this is just like a Hasbro exclusive, I believe. So yeah, that has been the unboxing of Yokai Watch, TATTLETELL, figure, and medal. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.